All of this is out of our warehouse production run product. We're going to get kicked off with number one. This is from our taco brand, Timberline, 200 gram cake at 12.1. Number two on our shoot list tonight, another 200 gram. This is from the Sky Bacon line, Nishiki Forest. There's a great Sky Bacon piece. There it is. Number three on our shoot. This is Gold Chainz from Tako. Number three on our shoot list. Number four on our shoot list is from our Realtree brand. This is Real American. Pack 6 to a case. Number 6, we're going to have an artillery shell from the Sky Bacon line. This is our 5-inch Hellcat Cans. You can find this packed in 24 to a case, 22 a pack, 12 pack, and 6 pack. Number 7, with artillery shells, Wildcat cartridge. This is our Realtree 5-inch Wildcat cartridge. Number 8, this is our best of science. This is 5-inch cells, and you get 4 of each. 5-inch Nishiki bombs, 6-inch Ringmaster, and 6-inch Mammoth shells. Best of Tako. Patriot. Number 10 is silver and gold from Tako brand. This is new for 2021 at 4 to a case. Some good-looking gold willows there. Number 11 is formerly Spread Eagle. Number 12 is another 500 gram from the Sky Beacon line, Nishiki Bang Bang. That was Nishiki Sky Bang from Sky Beacon. Number 13 from Tako brand is Meteor Strike. 168 shots. Brands we're showing you tonight are exclusive to Spirit of 76 Fireworks. You can check out real-time inventory on our website at 76fireworks.com. Looking at number 14, Brocade Blues. This is from Tako brand fireworks. That's a good looking piece. We're going to go back to the Sky Beacon brand fireworks with number 15, Pigzilla, 142 shots. Any questions about the product you see tonight, come find us in the hospitality room 160 after the demo. We'll be hanging out. Look forward to meeting you. Number 16 on our shoot list, Sky Beacon product, hashtag boom. 12 shots, 4 to a case. Number 17 on our shoe list, another Sky Beacon 500 gram. This is Willow to Nishiki. Tricked ya, this is actually number 18, Bombageddon. We are on number 19. This is Willow Nation. 20 shots, 4 in a case from the Skybanger brand. Gonna flip the shoot list. We're on number 20. This is a Tako brand 500 gram, 16 shots, Sailor's Nightmare, 2 in a case. Number 21, another Tako 500 gram. This is Portal. 9 shots, 4 in a case. Number 22 is our Nishiki 1500 gram finale. 72 shots in all 3 cakes are going to go at the same time. Okay, 1500 Nishiki Grand Finale. Number 23, 2-inch Titanium Willows from Tako brand. 9 shots, 4 in a case. That is a good-looking 9-shot rack. Our last piece this evening is another Tako brand 9-shot rack. This is Patriotic Spirit, 2 in a case. What a piece to finish a finale on. Again, all of those products are exclusive to Spirit of 76 Fireworks. Check out our real-time inventory at 76fireworks.com. I know we had to move swiftly. All of those products will be up on our YouTube channel tomorrow, so you can check out that demo at your leisure. Come hang out with us tonight in our hospitality room. Find us tomorrow at the trade show as well as our hospitality room. And if you haven't had a chance to hear about our 76 Pyro Shop, which is part of our dealer network, please ask. Thank you so much to the NFA and the safety team. I appreciate everyone, and we look forward to seeing you soon.